Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at a tool designed to bring some clarity to your health.
So let's just start with a question. When was the last time you felt genuinely on track with your wellness?
Yeah, it's tough, right? Life is loud, and honestly, health advice is even louder.
So, what if you had a clear, personal guide, something that just sorts through all that noise for you?
Well, meet AI Medical Mixer. It's your all-in-one health companion designed to do exactly that.
And look, this isn't just some generic chatbot. It's built to actually help you understand complex medical info. So you can get instant answers, analyze prescriptions with your camera, and track your health data. Okay, but how does this work for real people? Let's check out a few real-life situations.
So, here's Maria. It's late, her son is hurt, and the doctor's office is closed.
Instead of panic searching, she uploads an X-ray, describes the symptoms, and gets clear next steps.
The result? A massive 90% drop in misunderstanding compared to just searching online.
All right, now let's meet Robert. He's 72 and a bit overwhelmed by his new prescriptions. So he just scans each prescription label with his phone, and the app explains what everything means.
He goes from confusion to control in just a couple of minutes. That's a huge deal.
And finally, this is Fatima. She's a recent immigrant and doesn't understand her latest MRI results. The app translates her results into her own language, so she goes from overwhelmed to confident.
See, all of this is possible because the app was designed for everyone right from the start.
Things like support for over 25 languages, voice navigation, and big, easy-to-read text.
And this is so crucial since about a third of adults struggle with just basic health literacy. The goal isn't to replace doctors, but to bridge that gap between people and understanding.
It means you stop guessing, you stop spiraling, and you actually feel supported.
Now, this is really important. This is an educational tool. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. So it leaves you with a question. What could you achieve with true clarity about your health?